In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link directly to an email inside Framer, so when someone clicks your button or text, their email app opens automatically with your address already filled in. This is super useful for contact sections, support buttons, or portfolio sites. Let's get started. First, select the element you want to turn into an email link. This could be a button, a text label, or any clickable object on your page. Once it's selected, look over to the right-hand side of your screen where the Properties panel is located. This is where you control all the settings for your element. Inside the Properties panel, find the Link field. Next to it, you will see a small plus icon. Go ahead and click on that. This allows you to assign a custom link to your selected element. Now we'll turn this into an email link using something called a mail to URL. In the link box, type mail to urem@example.com. Just replace that with your actual email address. When users click this element, their default email app will open with your email already filled in. It's that simple. But here's something even better. You can also pre-fill the subject or even the body of the email. For example, if you want to add a subject line, you can write mail to uremail@example.com, subject equals hello. And if you'd like to include a message body as well, you can extend it like this. Mail to yourmail@example.com, subject equals hello, and body equals write your message here. This is great if you want to guide users on what to say, like inquiries, bookings, or support tickets. Once you've typed your mail to link, just press enter to apply it. And that's it. Your element is now an active email link. Make sure to preview and test it to confirm everything is working correctly on your device and browser. And there you go. You've successfully created a clickable email link in Framer. It's a small but powerful feature that can really improve communication and user experience on your website. Happy designing!